how to make and create service logo on Canva PC. Hello guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how to create service logo in less than 1 minute on canva.com. First thing, go to Canva and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for logo. Click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find service logo option. Let's search, and here is it right here. Now click on see all and choose any template here, for example this one, and you can edit it as you want. How to media, it's very easy to edit. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.